Okay, so in this video, we're going to take some Python code for the Black model, Black 1976, and we're going to introduce that into Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Previously, I'd set the same code up in online GBD, the online compiler, code executed, no issues. So it's just basically to change the compiler, okay, to Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's copy our code. And then I'm going to open up Anaconda. So I'll pause here for a moment and go through that. Okay, so we have launched the Anaconda Navigator. And now we'll launch the Jupyter Notebook within Anaconda. And that might take a second or two. It's not always instantaneous. Actually, so, okay, so I go back to Chrome. And we can basically say new, and we can create a folder. And then create in that folder. So I think a new folder has appeared, and just do new Python 3. And then paste our code that we had previously copied from the Vinegar Hill portal. And if you can shift and enter, we get some output here for a call option. And that seems to tally with a result we had obtained before for the call option. So for the call option, for these parameter values, we have 12 cent. And that's what we have here. And then if we change that to the call option should I say, rather than the put, change that to the call, it will be 15, I think 58. So let's just, again, shift, hold down the shift button, hit enter, and be 15, 58, 41, 15, 58, 41, and that's what we had before. So that's Jupyter Notebook launched within Anaconda Navigator.